How to make $100 a day internet site flipping and work from anywhere in the world. The brand new financial investment market, internet site flipping, has ended up being a prominent sector of the young, however growing, market for a web-based organization due to the fact that the sale transaction and also transfers of businesses are commanding fast and also straightforward to operate. Offering electronic possessions is much less troublesome than flipping bricks and mortar companies and even houses, as well as the earnings can be huge with only a small financial investment. If your website is only making a meager $500 each month, you might market it online for $6,000. Depending on the particular niche, how you presently earn money from it, as well as future development possibility, it could be worth much more than this. Building as well as selling blog sites is a significant industry. Many people construct dozens of sites annually with the sole objective of marketing them in 6 to 12 months' time and also making a huge profit. There are a few major industries available where you can see this precise procedure in action. Take a look at Flipper and also Empire Fins. Each of these services fee a little fee for helping unite purchasers and vendors of blog sites. The vendor often are experienced in structure rewarding blogs within a particular niche that makes money online in an extremely clear means. For instance, say you were very good at promoting affiliate products. You might build a small blog site, obtaining simply a few thousand site visitors a month, and still make in excess of $2,000 or $3,000 by promoting a very particular associated products. If you have no wish to take the blog beyond this factor, you can offer this site for between $25,000 and $35,000. To hit your objective of $100 each day or $3,000 per month, you just need to market one such website each year. Appears possible, right? Building numerous blogs at a time with an aim to market them is a scalable and great means to generate income online. This has been going on for a few years now, and people are making incredible amounts of money from it. There are sites on the internet that now deal with selling you old websites with ratings put up online and also approximate prices you could sell them for, and they make a big business of it. So you could go to any of these and find a sensible website that is going to earn you money if you take it over. Just upgrade it a bit, do a few tweaks and twitches, make it look better, perhaps change colors and things. You could sell it for a decent profit. This is also a trend online, so people are definitely looking to buy from people like you that have established websites ready for them to take over. So don't be afraid to chase this type of income. You can Google it and find a lot of information on what you need to do, where you possibly need to upgrade and also how to possibly help optimize the sites so they sell a lot better. So I need to take on. Now this is Ian Jackson saying thank you for watching. If you do like my videos, please press the like button below. Also the button up top, which is a bell. Next to that is all. Press that and I believe YouTube lets you know when my next video goes up. So I would like to say thank you once again and goodbye.